Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant not launching on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, close all Riot and Valorant processes running in the background. Open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for Riot Client, Valorant, or Riot Vanguard. Right-click each one and choose End Task. After that, try launching Valorant again as an administrator. If the game still does not open, repair the game files. Open the Riot Client. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Select Valorant and click the Repair button. Wait for the scan and repair process to finish, then restart the Riot client. Another common fix is restarting the VGC service. Press the Windows key, type Services, and open it. Scroll down until you find the VGC service. Right-click it and choose Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start, then press Apply and OK. You should also run Valorant with administrator rights. Right-click the Valorant shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. If you are using Windows 11, make sure TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled. Press the Windows key, type System Information, and open it. Check that BIOS mode says UEFI and Secure Boot state says On. If they are disabled, restart your PC, enter the BIOS settings, and enable TPM and Secure Boot from there. After completing these steps, restart your computer and launch Valorant again. Thanks for watching.